Good day, everyone. Today is Tuesday, 28th of January, 2025. Our subject today is phonics. How are you today? I am happy. How about you? Great job. What date is it today? That's right. Today is 28th of January 2025. Our topic for today is about short I words. Short I words. What picture is this? Okay, let's sound out. B, E, B. Bib. Everybody say bib. B, ib, bib. Very good. All right, what picture is this? Any guess? R, E, B. Rib. Rib. R, ib, rib. Can you say rib? Rib. That's right. Let's name them. Bib, rib. Bib, rib. Rib, bib. Very good. B, E, B. How do you read this? Big, big. B, ig, big. W, 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 w. Everybody say w, 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 e, b. Wig, wig, w, ig, wig. You put this on your hands. Hmm. What is this? F, f, e, g. Fig, fig. F, ig, fig. How about this one? D, 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 e, g, dig, dig, d, ig, dig. Can you say dig? Dig. Again, one more time. Dig. Very good. All right. What are these ig words? First, teacher. What is this? Big. Big. This one? Wig. Wig. Big. Wig. Fig. Ig. Fig. Dig. D. Ig. Dig. All right, let's read one more time. B. Ig. Big. W. Ig. Wig. Ig. Fig. D. Ig. Dig. All right, everyone. Do you want to play a game? It's game time. All right, so what are you going to do? You have to name the hidden picture. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Okay, let's start. So there are different letters here and colors. Letter A. What is this? Wig. Very good. Bib. Bib. Letter C. Ooh. Dig. Dig. Kid. Kid. You're right. How about letter E? Rib. Rib. F. Big. Big. Yes. Fig. Fig. And how about letter H, the last one? What is this? Lead. Lead. Great job. So that ends our lesson for today. See you again tomorrow, students. Thank you for listening. Bye.